Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to unbox Spencer, the third release in the Stablemate series for Stablemate collectors. So, Stablemate Collectors Club. Spencer. I tell you right now, I'm not going to be happy with the mold. They should have retired this mold a long time ago. It needs just, it's not clean and crisp like the new ones. We'll see what the paint job's like. But as you know, with these clubs, you have to buy them all or you get kicked out. Alright, so this was, I think this was the Silky Sullivan Stablemate. It is never very pretty to me. Let's see. I never liked the way it attached there. Didn't like that it's not very clean right in here. And there's just something off about the chest area. I don't find it attractive. But that is me, and other people I'm sure love this mold to pieces. Oh. Let me push that up a little bit. Never did like this mold, and that, you know, there's not very many I can say that I dislike in Brer, because a horse is a horse is a horse, of course. But come on, let go. There we go. See, its stomach is like bigger over here than it is over there, and I don't know what's wrong in this chest area. Something about this, for me, the neck. And then this is not clean. See how that's not crisp? The division between the head and the neck is not crisp. And the stomach is kind of warped. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's like different. It's not symmetrical. It's like he's sucking in his gut on this side, but not on this side. Now let's look at the paint, because that's my description of the mold. Never really liked this mold. Never liked the way the tail was attached. So, now let's talk about paint. It's actually a really good paint job. Let's look at you got the multiple colors. What has this guy got? Well, it's a factory flaw. I got like an overspray or something right there. That's pretty minor, but I would never show this one anyways. That's definitely, it was a shelf piece. So I'm not as picky with my shelf pieces. Different color for the hooves. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. 4 colors is nice. I need to fix this right here. Give this guy, either get rid of some over here. Yeah, I don't know how you would fix that. I'm not a sculptor. I mean, looking downward, you can kind of see how uneven the barrel is. But the paint job is nice. It's very crisp masking. It's got the 5 colors. Yeah, very well done. So that's Spencer. There you go. Well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a really good day.